What is up, guys? If you remember my last video, I just painted the bay neon yellow. Everything is ready. We're gonna go get an update on the block first before we install it. I know the guys at Garage Life finished off just the assembly of the block, with the clutch, flywheel, the manifolds. I'm not sure if all the manifolds are on right now or if the turbo's on, but we're gonna go check it out. Just so you guys know, Garage Life was helping me out, just finished the assembly for the block, because I'm actually going out of the country tomorrow. So that's why I've been hustling like crazy, trying to get as far as possible on this build so that when I get back, we're pretty much gonna be starting the car. So yeah, let's go see what the block looks like. Update. Gilbert and DK went ham finishing up this block. It's we're pretty much done now, right? Except for the manifolds.
Yeah.
And turbo.
Just the mounts and then enough to drop it in for sure.
Yeah. So they got the whole front cover assembly on, got the clutch flywheel, and installing now this dope B2A pan. This is super beefy, way more volume, and looks awesome. Have you run one of these? Like you guys have.
Well, yeah, when it was DK's motor.
Oh, this is the one that was on his old motor too?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, enough. It has trap doors. It has some baffle in it, enough to not spin any bearings while drifting or anything like that. Because then with the stock pan, all the oil sloshes on one side.
Yeah.
And then it gets pretty bad. Like it won't pick up anything.
So this is B2A's racing pan, right?
Yeah.
Do you know the Wi-Fi password?
Wow.
It's on the
I just fucked up.
Wow. This is pretty insane. We're already ready to install the engine. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, we've been thrashing, trying to get this engine done so that the car is running ASAP. So I, of course, want to paint everything. DK almost put the manifolds on plain, and I had to stop him and be like, no. It needs some color. I have the manifolds, upper, lower, in a bath right now getting clean so I can paint them. So this is gonna be yet another painting video.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I keep making all these paint videos. I feel like I should have a paint channel. I have like 6 videos now.
Well,
they're gonna involve painting.
If YouTube ever shuts down, at least you'll be a painter now.
I know, right? I got the parts back from the cleaner. They are already taped off. I just did that off camera since I've done that like 20 times on this channel. So the parts are all clean. Right now, I'm gonna be painting these parts the same way that I painted the block. So I'm using high temp white as my base. I'm going in with the neon color, and then I'm going over with high temp clear. I am painting the water pump, the throttle body, and the elbow, and my upper manifolds. I think I'm gonna paint everything hot pink. Maybe do some of that tie-dye action, I don't know. We'll just see what happens. So yeah, let's paint some more stuff now. Everything is painted white. I think I'm just gonna start spraying everything pink and see how I feel about it and go from there. I do still have some of the yellow left so that if I want to make like an orange tint to the pink, I can do that too, but I'm gonna start off just by spraying everything pink. I just fast forwarded to being done. You guys know the drill. Spray, spray, spray forever. And now it's done. So the pink actually kind of changed into more of a neon pink orange. I think just because of all the layers, but it still looks awesome and bright. And this is gonna really stand out with the neon yellow bay. So now that I'm done with the color, you guys know what's next. Bam. Of course I'm gonna flake everything. I actually think I'm just gonna put a little bit of flake on the manifold, maybe throttle body. I don't know, it's gonna be pretty hard to get it to stick to a lot of these parts, but I'm gonna put it where I can. And then after I finish putting the flake on in some places, I'm just gonna clear coat the crap out of it and we should be done. It's actually been sprinkling on and off and I'm outside. I'm just covered by like a little awning up there. So I'm trying to rush and work really fast so this doesn't get destroyed. But that is the plan. Flake on top of the clear coat and then a bunch of clear on top of the flake. This works. So look at this.
Oh, that's
than
so
I did
good.
before.
Damn.
I'm like an expert now at hand flaking things.
Flaking? Right there, not
Okay, so I forgot about the lower manifold. So now that I have to paint more stuff anyway, I'm gonna paint some other things as well since I have to open up another can for everything. So I'm gonna be painting all the pulleys, which I should have done that or wanted to do that in the beginning anyway, because you're totally gonna see them. So now I'm painting more stuff and I'm grabbing more boxes now to do the same process all over again. It's gonna be worth it. Okay guys, don't hate me. I thought my camera was recording for so long and it was not. I ran out of all my batteries for this camera and it was getting late and I was losing sunlight, so I just finished the painting. You guys know the drill though, like you know what happens. Basically, you end up with awesome painted parts with tons of flake on it. You know me. The camera died, so I wasn't able to take any video of what it looked like at the end, but I got some Instagram posts, so check those out. Looks awesome. I know this stuff is tedious and it takes a lot longer to do everything, but I know I'm really gonna appreciate it when I am done. We are gonna have this car running so soon, you guys. It's like ridiculous. I've really been thrashing on the car lately because I'm about to be gone for like 4 days in Austria. I'm going there for the first time ever, and I'm actually speaking at a tech conference that's going on there. So I'm gonna be gone for 4 days, and I just wanted to get as much stuff done as I could before I left. When I come back, that car is literally gonna be started in like a week, if not less than a week. So we are almost there with the Party FC. It is almost running, and I have some huge surprises coming up with that car. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time.